Everybody's got your message, now they're gone. Where have they gone? Hey, we started some of the things that you did for me. Some things cost too much, even when they're free. Even when they're free. How long will it take till you open up your eyes? I didn't know what it is you ever realized. How long? Thank you, folks. No, thank you.
Can you handle the shine off my head? Is that okay?
Did you guys see his Canada on the back of his head? Is that nice?
Oh, that's a great.
Just trying to bring some sunshine into your life.
They're thinner.
Which we have.
Huh?
So remember, after us, we have the
A lot thinner. And not
Young Rivals are going to be playing, a great local Hamilton band, so they're coming right up, so stick around. It's going to be a lot of fun. And then obviously we got some great fireworks happening. This is the best spot in the city, as you all know. That's why everyone is here. Let's have a little bit of fun, eh?
It hurts.